Hey guys, Dr. Vukovic here at Victory Chiropractic, and today we have Jaylee. So you may recognize her from a video from a few years ago. Well, she's now in college. She's running track at the University of Dayton. So end of last track season, she ended up getting shin splints, stress fractures, and got shut down. So she came back for the summer in a boot. And so we ended up using soft wave. So she went through our full protocol for soft wave for shin splints and stress fractures to make sure that she's going back to school this year with her shin feeling absolutely 100%, so she's got no restrictions when she goes back to school. All right, so we're going to go through some treatment for that. So you're laying back here. So we're going right here on the tibia. So if you guys, any athletes out there that are experiencing shin splints, this is something that will help knock it out really quick to make sure it doesn't progress into a stress reaction. You'll have to be completely shut down. We also include some shocks at the knee and ankle just to the increased stress on those joints above and below where she has the stress reaction. Now again, over normal healthy tissue, you just feel a little bit of a tapping. Over damaged tissue, you will feel a little bit of discomfort. Alright, then let's go face down. We'll adjust the hips as well. On your side towards me. Other side. So again, anyone who's runners, football players, are struggling with stress fractures and nothing's helping it go away, soft wave is a great tool to help really knock that out to make sure you're able to still compete.